there is a myth that if you do not use condom during sex there are a bright chance that you might get pregnant. But today I am going to explain you methods using which you can have safe sex without condom and do not get pregnant. Let us know this method of having sex without a condom and not getting pregnant. If you are not getting pregnant despite having sex without a condom, there are several factors that might be the cause. On the other hand, if you choose not to use a condom but want to avoid pregnancy, learn about what you can do to protect yourself. Unprotected sex and unable to get pregnant. Consider the following possible factors that could explain why you are not conceiving although you are not using a condom. Timing of intercourse is important. Timing of sex is, almost, everything when it comes to fertilizing an egg each menstrual cycle. If you don't have intercourse when you are most fertile in your cycle, you have little or no chance of conceiving. Based on a study published in 1995 in the New England Journal of Medicine, NEJM, you have a 6-day fertile window, during which you are likely to get pregnant if you have unprotected intercourse. The 6 days starts 5 days before and end on the day of ovulation. For women with the average 28-day cycles, and ovulation on day 14, the fertile window is around days 9 to 14. You can use a simple menstrual cycle chart to keep track of cycles and record the days you have intercourse. A problem with ovulation. Ovulation dysfunction is a common cause of difficulty getting pregnant. You likely have a problem with egg production and ovulation if the length of your menstrual cycles are irregular, or shorter, or longer than the average range of 21 to 45 days. You will have difficulty timing sex if you can't tell when you are ovulating, or even if you are ovulating at all. According to a National Center for Biotechnology Information, NCBI, book, there are several causes of dysfunction of ovulating. An evaluation by your doctor or a fertility specialist can identify your cause. A specialist can also review symptoms and signs of ovulation you can track each cycle. You can also use an ovulation calculator to help you estimate when in your cycle you ovulate. Male factor infertility. Don't assume your inability to conceive lies with you. 50% of the time, the cause of the problem getting pregnant rests with the male partner. A semen analysis is the essential test to begin to investigate your partner's fertility. Tubal and other factors. Problems with your fallopian tubes interfere with the ability of the egg and sperm to get together. Damage to or closure of the tubes can result from sexually transmitted disease, STI, endometriosis, or pelvic/abdominal surgery. Tubal factors account for 35% of the causes of inability to conceive, based on a patient guidebook by the American Society for Reproductive Medicine. Other factors include problems with the uterus and cervix, such as scarring or birth defects. Age factor. If you are older than age 30, you will find it harder to get pregnant. According to an American Society of Reproductive Medicine handbook, page 4, pregnancy rates fall off when a woman is in her 30s and especially after age 35. The decline in fertility with age is a result of fewer and lower quality eggs remaining in the aging ovaries. The following are useful statistics on the effect of age on the chance of getting pregnant each cycle. If you are younger than 30 years, you have a 30% chance of getting pregnant. At age 30, you will have a 20% chance of pregnancy. By age 40, you only have a 5% chance of conceiving. Normal pregnancy rates. Not everyone woman will get pregnant in the first month of unprotected intercourse. For couples with no known infertility factors, a 2003 review in the British Medical Journal states the following statistics. There is a 30% chance of conceiving in the first 3 months. By 6 months 70% of couples will have conceived. By 12 months the number rises to 85%. By 2 years 95% of couples will conceive. Infertility is defined as 1 year of trying without conception. However, consult your doctor after 6 months if you are age 35 or older, or sooner if you have an obvious problem, such as irregular menstrual cycles or a history of STIs. Avoiding pregnancy if you don't use a condom. Nurse giving birth control pills to patient. Perhaps you choose to have sex without a condom but you don't want to get pregnant. In that case, you have other options for avoiding pregnancy. Birth control options. There are several effective methods of birth control, although, unlike condoms, none of them will protect you from STIs. They range from female barriers like a diaphragm or hormonal birth control like the pill, to convenient, long-acting options like an intrauterine device, IUD. Your doctor will help you decide which choice is best for you given your lifestyle and preferences. Natural family planning methods. Natural family planning methods help you narrow down the days you are most fertile so you can avoid unprotected sex on those days. The following facts are helpful to know. You keep track of one or more fertility signs, such as your cervical mucus changes, to help you figure out your day of ovulation. Based on the New England Journal of Medicine reference cited at the top of the article, avoid intercourse during your 6-day fertile window, which ends on the day in your cycle you think you ovulate. For example, for the average 28-day cycle with ovulation on day 14, don't have sex days 9 to 14. To be on the safe side, continue to avoid sex for 2 more days after your estimated day of ovulation, meaning days 9 to 16 if you have a 28-day cycle. Note that all the natural family planning methods can only estimate but not pinpoint the day of ovulation. Nevertheless, women all over the world use natural family planning to avoid getting pregnant. Talk to your doctor if you want to use these methods and avoid birth control. Condoms and pregnancy. If you are having sex without condoms or other method of birth control and yet you are not getting pregnant but want to, see your doctor to find out the reason. On the other hand, if you choose not to use condoms and don't want to get pregnant, discuss other methods of birth control with your doctor to avoid an unplanned pregnancy.